Today, we're busting the myth of the requirements Rambo. You know, the business analyst who tackles everything solo. You know who you are. I get it. Sometimes you feel like you have to take it all on because you want to move faster, and getting stakeholders together can be hard. They also have differing views and differing ideas on priority, and you have deadlines and people breathing down your neck to move forward. Spoiler alert, doing it alone will cause stress, missed requirements, and ultimately the wrong solution. I'm Sheila Hammond, and I've been doing the BAPO thing for over 25 years. And I'm telling you that as a BA, you can't operate in a vacuum. Input from your different teams is crucial. For example, you need to involve your developers. They can identify potential development challenges or suggest ways to combine similar requirements for efficiency. Their insights ensure your requirements are feasible and built effectively. Having a chat with sales is important because sales does have a tendency to kind of promise things that may or may not be on the roadmap or even in development. So have a chat with them and see what they're promising clients and what client needs are most pressing. Understanding this is going to help you prioritize your requirements to deliver on some of these sales promises. And of course, you need your stakeholders, AKA the business. They have the big picture of the company's direction. Their involvement ensures that your requirements align with the overall business goals. They know things that you don't know about the direction of the company, so you need to include them in your discussions. Great BAs know that collaboration is the secret sauce. First up, stakeholder engagement is absolutely key. Don't just talk at them, get them involved, get their input, opinions, and buy ins. These are the people who matter, so make sure that they're on board from the get go. Early and frequent communication is mandatory if you don't want rework or unhappy stakeholders. Secondly, have workshops. There's power in numbers, and workshops are a fantastic way to gather diverse perspectives. This way, you don't miss a single crucial detail and everyone feels heard, which is so important. It's a win-win. Keep your group small though and focused. And also I will say this until I'm blue in the face. I'm a big believer of meeting agendas to maximize efficiency. And finally, don't forget your teamwork. Collaborate with the dev teams, designers, and QA. Get everyone involved. Their insights into feasibility, usability, and testability are invaluable and can make or break your requirements. So communicate openly to ensure everything is clear, buildable, and testable. And remember, BAs, collaboration is key. By working together with your team, you're going to guarantee strong, well-rounded requirements that set your project up for success. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button for more awesome BA content. Leave a comment below with your best tip for stakeholder engagement. Let's share the knowledge together. That's all I have for today. Lazy BA out.